Part 2 of the Spies series features Alfons Eyckmans' fourth puzzle. This is the easiest of the 6 puzzles. The video will show the puzzle's 3D printed parts and offer a few hints for solving them if you need them. The STL models are available at the link in the description. I think this puzzle's best as an assembly puzzle as there's only one plate and the orange pieces have only a limited number of orientations that are possible. As with most of Alfons' puzzles, you should not rotate any pieces for the intended solution. All pieces will slide up, down, and left, right. There's only 14 moves to get the first part out if you were disassembling it, or 25 moves to put it completely together. I encourage you to attempt this puzzle without hints and spend some time with it. However, should you need them, I've provided some suggestions. The first hint might be obvious. Ignore the black fort and just put the orange parts into the plate and you'll find a few different orientations that will work. You can then narrow them down to one solution once you deal with the black fort. The second hint shows the orientation of all the pieces, and this really should be the major hint that you need to put it all together. Here's how the part should be oriented for the puzzle's final form. I'm sure with some time working with the pieces you'll find the solution.